Hello everyone! If you want to earn from YouTube but you don't like coming in front of the camera or you don't have much time, then today's video is perfect for you. In this video, I will explain YouTube automation with AI, also called a faceless YouTube channel, which many people are using to earn money without showing their face. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will also share real earning methods and common mistakes. Part 1. What is YouTube automation? First, let's understand this in very simple words. YouTube automation means you don't appear in the video, you don't record your own voice, AI tools do most of the work. In this system, AI writes the script, AI creates the voice, AI makes the video, you upload it and earn money. That's why it is called a faceless YouTube channel. Part 2. Who should start a faceless YouTube channel? This type of channel is best for housewives, students, job holders, introvert people, anyone who is shy on camera. The best part is you don't need fluent English, you don't need expensive equipment, you don't need editing skills. Anyone can start from home. Part 3. Best niches for faceless YouTube channels. Now, the most important question, which topic should you choose? Here are some high-demand niches. 1. Motivation quotes. 2. Islamic stories or quotes. 3. Facts videos. Did you know? 4. Kid stories. 5. Horror stories. 6. YouTube and online earning tips. 7. General health tips. 8. Celebrity facts. 9. Relaxing music or nature videos. 10. AI voice news shorts. Important tip, stick to one niche only. Part 4. How to create scripts using AI. Every video starts with a script. Best tool, ChatGPT. Example prompt, write a 2-minute motivational script in simple English for a YouTube video. Within seconds, your script is ready. You can generate English, Roman Urdu, Hindi. Very easy and fast. Part 5. How to create AI voiceover. Now, who will speak the script? Best AI voice tools, 11 Labs, Play HT, Narrowkit. Steps: 1. Paste your script. 2. Choose male or female voice. 3. Download the audio. Your professional voiceover is ready. You will even know it's AI. Part 6. How to create AI video. Now let's create the video. Best AI video tools, Pictory, InVideo, Canva AI, CapCut, Auto Captions. Process: 1. Paste your script. 2. AI automatically adds images and clips. 3. Add background music. 4. Export the video. No editing experience required. Part 7. How to create thumbnails using AI. Thumbnail equals views. Best tool is Canva. Thumbnail tips: use only 3 to 4 words, bright colors, big, bold text, emotions, or arrows. Examples: AI is insane. Faceless income. Part 8. Upload strategy, very important. Most people fail here. Follow these rules. Upload 3 to 4 videos per week. Upload at the same time. Use SEO-friendly title and description. Add 5 to 6 hashtags. Consistency brings growth. Part 9. How do faceless channels make money? You can earn from faceless YouTube channels through YouTube ads revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling digital products. Many people earn $500 to $5,000 per month just by using AI videos. Part 10. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these mistakes: using copyright music, changing niche again and again, copy-paste content, starting only for money, being inconsistent. Be patient, results will come. If you are thinking, can I really do this? The answer is yes, absolutely. AI has made YouTube easier for everyone. You just need to start. Ending call to action. If you want AI tools list, faceless channel ideas, daily video prompts, then comment AI below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.